Good afternoon. My name is Siddharth and today I will be doing an analysis of Tesco in the UK market from a macro and micro environmental perspective using pestle analysis, Porter's five forces, SWOT analysis and TOWS matrix. I'll begin by giving an overview of the company. Tesco is the leading grocery retailer in the UK with a little more than 28% of market share. However, from the graph on the right you can see that their market share has been declining. They also sell non-food items and offer a range of different services. I will first begin with the pestle analysis, which is used to analyze the general environment. Though Tesco cannot control this environment, it can be used to detect factors that would affect the industry. Political factors could include laws which have not yet been formed. For example, there has been debate about introducing a sugar tax, which has led to Tesco developing a healthy food range. Economic factors include interest rates, GDP, inflation and so on. An example would be Tesco losing market share to discount stores such as Aldi and Lidl during the economic recession. Social factors take into consideration changes in consumer behavior. One-stop shopping and bulk shopping has led to the diversification of product range and increase in hypermarkets. Technological advancements can result in improved service quality. This has led to Tesco developing apps for smartphones, click and collect stores and importance in online shopping. Legal factors include laws and regulations. Tesco is currently facing investigations because of accounting irregularities. Environmental regulations and consumer awareness about global warming has led to Tesco promising to cut down their carbon footprint by 50% by 2020. They have also cut down on food wastage. I will now move on to Porter's five forces, which analyzes the competitive environment. Threat of new entrants is low because of entry barriers. High financial investments, capital and resources are required. Bargaining powers of suppliers is low because they depend on Tesco to buy majority of their output. However, bargaining powers of consumers is high because there are many competitors selling undifferentiated products, resulting in a range of options for consumers. Small-scale grocery shops can be considered as substitutes. However, the threat is low because of brand loyalty and acquisition of these small shops. Rivalry among existing competitors is extremely high because they follow an oligopolistic structure. Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury and Morrisons occupy majority of the market share. I will now move on to the SWOT analysis, which is used to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the firm, along with external opportunities and threats that were detected using the pestle analysis and Porter's five forces. Some of Tesco's strengths are their brand name and multi-channel approach, but their main strength is the club card. They were the first retail firm to offer consumer loyalty programs, and they use this as a competitive advantage to collect information about consumers. However, they have several weaknesses as well. They have not been able to reduce their debt and their reputation has been damaged due to recent horsemeat scandal and accounting scandals. Opportunities such as expansion of online services and threats like investigation into accounting irregularities were already identified using pestle analysis and Porter's five forces. I'll now move on to the TOWS matrix, which is used to form strategies after completing the SWOT analysis. By matching internal strengths and weaknesses with external opportunities and threats, strategies can be pursued. Some of these strategies include an increased focus in the UK market and a more consumer-oriented approach. Tesco has actually started following these strategies to improve their market share according to their most recent performance. That completes my Tesco analysis. I first used the pestle analysis and then Porter's five forces to analyze the external environment. After which I used SWOT analysis and TOWS matrix to form suggestions for Tesco. This is my reference list. Thank you for watching.